Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to talk about something really important: how to become a real leader in AI research. We're going to do that by taking a look at the Certified AI Research Practitioner Program, or as we call it, CARP.
I mean, let's be honest, AI isn't some far-off future concept anymore. It's here, right now. It's the engine that's completely changing how we do research, how we innovate, and really, how we make decisions in pretty much every industry you can think of. So that leads to a huge question, right? As this technology gets more and more powerful, who's actually qualified to lead the research behind it? We're at a point where the need for skilled leaders, people who can handle all this complexity with real rigor and a strong ethical compass, has never, ever been greater. Okay, so let's really dig into that challenge, because being a leader in AI research, well, it means you have to see way past all the buzzwords and the hype. See, it's one thing to have the technical chops, to get how an AI model works on the inside. That's important, for sure. But that's not the whole story, not by a long shot. What we're talking about here is true research mastery. That means knowing how to design a really solid study, how to properly evaluate what a model is doing, and how to manage that entire process with a deep awareness of the ethics involved. That's a totally different and, frankly, a much more critical level of expertise.
So what's the real need here? It's about bridging a huge gap in the industry. We need professionals who can go from just using AI to actually conducting rigorous, evidence-based research. You need the skills to look at these super complex models and critically evaluate them, not just blindly trust their output. And maybe most importantly, you've got to be able to translate all that technical stuff into insights that actually mean something, all while navigating the incredibly tricky ethical landscape of this technology.
And that's exactly where the CARP program comes into the picture. It was literally designed from the ground up to be the solution to this very challenge. So what is CARP really? Think of it as an intensive hands-on program that's all about equipping you with the core concepts, the structured research methods, and the practical skills you absolutely need to lead AI research with confidence and, just as importantly, with responsibility. And you might be wondering, okay, but is this for me? Well, if you're a research professional, a data analyst, someone leading innovation, a tech manager, a policy consultant, or even an academic, this program is built to take your skills to the next level and really set you up as a leader in your space. So let's pull back the curtain and see what this 4-day journey actually looks like. Because it's not just another course, it's a very deliberate process designed to take you from the foundational basics all the way to real-world practical application.
It all kicks off on day 1, where we build that strong foundation in AI and research concepts. Then on day 2, we get our hands dirty with design. We're talking about handling data, picking the right models, and tackling bias. By day 3, we shift gears into evaluation, how to really get under the hood of a model and understand its performance and explainability. And it all comes together on day 4 with governance, ethics, and learning how to report your findings in a way that truly makes an impact.
And just to give you a taste, this curriculum is all about practical, high-value skills. On day 1, you're not just learning theory, you're learning how to properly define a problem for an AI study. Day 2 tackles those massive issues of bias and fairness head-on. Day 3 is all about explainability. How do you make those black box models make sense? And day 4 grounds everything you've learned in the absolutely essential principles of responsible AI.
All right, so after this intensive 4-day journey, what can you actually do? Let's talk about the specific skills you're going to walk away with on your path to mastering AI research.
The whole program is built to develop 9 key competencies. We're talking about 9 distinct, powerful areas of mastery that are going to set you head and shoulders above the rest. Let's just focus on a few of the biggest ones. You will leave with the ability to design a rigorous research framework from scratch. You'll be able to look at any AI model and evaluate its performance, its limits, and, so importantly, its biases. You'll master how to apply responsible AI principles in the real world, and you'll be able to communicate what you found to any audience, whether they're technical experts or not. And here's the bottom line. This is what it's all about. You will learn how to take abstract research and translate it into real, practical, and ethical value for your organization. That, right there, is the skill of a true leader in this field. So, this whole journey culminates in something really powerful: a professional credential that solidifies your new expertise. You know, the program's official objective really says it all:
to develop competent AI research practitioners who can translate AI research outcomes into practical and ethical organizational value. When you become a certified practitioner, that becomes your mission too.
And after you successfully complete the program and the assessment, you earn that official title, Certified AI Research Practitioner. This is so much more than just a piece of paper. It's a real validation of your expertise and your commitment to doing AI research the right way.
So, the real question is, are you ready? Are you ready to go beyond just understanding AI and start leading its future? This program gives you everything you need to lead AI research, to lead it responsibly, and to lead it effectively.